This chapter, chapter 2 of the Introduction to Psychology class, was based on the biology of behavior. And it was really interesting to me because originally, when I first saw the chapter, I thought that it was going to be about like how we act as humans, but it turned out to be like a process of going through where all of our behaviors come from and how they happen like inside the brain and the rest of the nervous system and how that system affects like other systems like for say the endocrine system, which is something I'd never really thought of before. I really enjoyed this chapter because I did not think that I would be going over a lot of neuroanatomy in a psychology class, so it was interesting to learn about that, seeing as I am in an anatomy class right now in high school. We have not started the neuro- neurological system chapter yet, so this is a really good. It's really good for me to start learning it now, so I can know it for the future. And it also correlated with the chapter that we're on right now, our muscle chapter, with the reptate, the synapse, and the action potential, which all have to do with how the brain connects with the muscles of the body. So it was really interesting for me to be able to learn how each part of the brain, like the brainstem, the medulla, the amygdala, the cerebrum, the like all of those systems, how they all have parts and functions that are actively taking part in how we act as humans every day, and how each part of the brain has its own function, both biologically and psychologically, which helps us grow as humans and actively contributes to our neuroplasticity every day. So I honestly think that this has been a very eye-opening experience that has changed me to being able to know how to do this stuff for the future and prepare. So I'm very interested to seeing how I'll be able to use this later on throughout the rest of this course, and I'm excited to keep on learning.